Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be sharing this yummy delicacy from Edo State with you guys. This we call Emieki. So we're going to be using overripe plantain for this. We're using elubo also from plantain, from unripe plantain, and these are the other ingredients that I'm going to be using. We're going to be using leaf to wrap them. So now we're going to start the cooking. I just pour some of the elubo on my bowl and I mix it together with water. This is completely optional, just that I don't want my surface to be messy with flour, so that's why I'm doing that. So I put that aside and I'm going to peel my plantain now. See, these plantain are really overripe. So when you learn this recipe, you don't have to throw your overripe plantain away anymore, because this is so yummy, so delicious. Just added my onions, pepper and crayfish, and I'm adding the salt and 1 bouillon cube. Added water, blend it all together. Little bit of water, not too much water. So now I'm pouring my elubo in my blender, added little bit of water. So I'm just going to mix it all together with the blender. So that is it. Pour it in and add palm oil. You have to be generous with palm oil on this recipe. Now I'm gonna pour in my dried prawns and the cooked black-eyed beans. Cooked black-eyed beans, not uncooked, cooked black-eyed beans. So mix it all together. Just added 1 palm oil. So that is it. You taste for seasoning. If it's not, you just add a little bit of salt. So now we're going to wrap it. So the elubo flour is just the flour you use for amala from plantain. When you dry your unripe plantain for amala, so you grind it. So that is that flour that I use. So we call it elubo. So now I'm going to wrap. So I'm used to this style of wrapping, so don't call me old school. Anyway, I'm old school. Doesn't matter. What matters is that what is in it is so yummy. So that is it. You try your best to close it as much as possible so that it don't leak out. So I just added a little bit of water to my pot, put a leaf on it and added palm oil to it. So I just lay all the plantain moimoi, that's the Emieki, to it, added palm oil. This is just the way my grandmother is doing it. She always add palm oil to it. That makes it shiny. So as it's cooking and the water is dry, you just bend the leaf that you put inside and put water, a little bit of water, not on the leaf, in the pot, and cook it for 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour, then it's ready. So that is it, and I hope I make this recipe as easy as possible for you guys, and I hope you guys try it. It's so yummy, and thank you for joining me. See you in my next video. Bye.